students, welcome to Sagar College. So गत क्लास रे आम डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करिथिलु अबाउट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोसाइड. ओके, द चैप्टर molecular basis of inheritance. Which molecule is responsible for carrying the character from your parents to you? And that molecule is nothing but the DNA. DNA from my father, DNA from my mother makes me. So my DNA is what? My DNA is the combination of my father's DNA and my mother's DNA. So the molecule that is DNA is responsible for carrying the characters from my parents to me. Yes, the genetic materials of my parents are responsible for making my genetic material, my DNA, my character. Okay. So the genetic material or the DNA is a nucleic acid. As we know, DNA is what? Deoxyribonucleic acid. And the nucleic acids are nothing but the polymer of nucleotides. So nucleotides are components we discuss karithi. It may be a nitrogen base, it may be a pentose sugar, may be ribose sugar, may be deoxyribose sugar, and the last component is the acid, phosphoric acid is 3PO4. So different components discussion karsarthilu ame. There are three components. Now we will join these components. We will assemble these three components. Components would assemble kemti. First of all, we will make the nucleoside. Okay. So come to the nucleoside part. Let me change the color here. Okay. Nucleoside. Nucleoside is what? It is the combination of nitrogen base and pentose sugar, C5 sugar. C5 mane pentose sugar. So component is what? Nitrogen base. Component is what? Pentose sugar, C5 sugar. It is ribose in case of RNA, deoxyribose in case of DNA. So now these two components are associated with each other, and the bond that joins these two components. Okay. So co-bond, which bond is responsible to join the nitrogen base with the pentose sugar? Okay. Or in other word, you can say the bond present between the pentose sugar and the nitrogen base, so that these two components are held together, joined together, and this bond is called as your beta N glycosidic bond. So let me write this information for you. Beta N glycosidic bond. This is the bond, this is the bridge, or this is the linkage between pentose sugar and that of nitrogen base. So it joins pentose sugar and nitrogen base. Okay. So my nitrogen base, my pentose sugar are joined. And the bond responsible is what? Beta N glycosidic bond. This is very vital bond, very important bond. Beta N glycosidic. For example, this is a pentose sugar here. Okay. This sugar is the pentose sugar, and it is connected to a base, nitrogen base. It is your C5. The resulting structure is a nucleoside, and this bond is what? Beta N glycosidic bond. This bond is what? Beta N glycosidic bond that joins the pentose sugar with my nitrogen base. Nitrogen base may be purine, may be pyrimidines. Yes, this nitrogen base, it may be a purine base or it may be a pyrimidine base. Now, how this bond is established? So, I will make a diagram for you. Please listen carefully. So, I will make a diagram for you. See, nucleoside is the combination of C5 sugar plus nitrogen base, N base. Clear? See, here I am making nitrogen base, and this is a base which is called as your purine base. This is a purine base. Purine base are how many ring? Double ring containing the nitrogen atom at position 1, 3, 7 and 9. The formula you know, NCN, CCC and NCN. 1, 3, 7, 9 position containing the nitrogen atom. So you can write this information 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is purine base. Clear? This is a purine base and this nitrogen connected with one hydrogen here. Now, I will make a pentose sugar for you. This is a pentose sugar. OH, CH2OH. Here I am making deoxyribose. This is a deoxyribose sugar. So please erase it properly. Okay, fine. Now, nomenclature 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and it is 5 dash. This is a deoxyribose, and the name of this sugar is, it is beta form or alpha form, beta 2 dash deoxyribose. Clear? At the second carbon atom, one oxygen is deficient due to the shortage of one oxygen atom. It is said to be deoxyribose. Deoxy means without oxygen. Clear? So, at the second carbon atom, one oxygen atom is short, one oxygen atom is deficient. Hence, it is called as deoxyribose. 2 does stands for the position where oxygen is deficient. And beta is the anomeric form of this ribose sugar. In beta, what happens? I told you in my previous episode, the hydroxyl group is present above the plane, beta form. If the hydroxyl group is present below the plane, then it is alpha form. So, in DNA or in case of RNA, the pentose sugar that is present in which form, and your answer must be it is beta form. Why this is beta form? Beta form is more stable than alpha. We have discussed why the beta is stable than alpha. In beta, the OH group, hydroxyl groups are well separated from each other. So, minimizing repulsion, maximizing stability. Jodi OH group guda far away from each other, distance re rahibe, tele seta kon habo tanko bhitere repulsion ta kamibo. Repulsion jodi kamila, stability will increase. ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ହେଲ୍ଦି ମୋଟା ମୋଟା ଛୁଆ ଯଦି ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ବେଞ୍ଚରେ ବସିବେ, ଦେ ଆର୍ ଅନଷ୍ଟେବଲ୍, ତାକୁ ଜାଗା ହେଉନଥିବ, ତାକୁ ଜାଗା ହେଉନଥିବ, ସେ ତାକୁ ଟିକେ ସାଇଡ଼୍ରେ ଖସୁଥିବ, ଇଏ ଟିକେ ତାକୁ, ସେମିତି କ'ଣ ଅନଷ୍ଟେବଲ୍। ତ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା, ତାକୁ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ବଢ଼ାଇ ଦେବା, ତୁ ବସ୍ ପଛରେ ଯାଇକି ବସ୍। ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ବଢ଼ିଗଲା ମିନ୍ସ ଦେ ଆର୍ ମୋର୍ ଷ୍ଟେବଲ୍। ୟେସ୍। So now this is the pentose sugar, this is the nitrogen base, and which base it is? Purine base. Now the bond is formed between the hydroxyl group of this pentose sugar at the first carbon atom. See, and the hydrogen connected to the ninth nitrogen here. Bond is formed, and during this bond formation procedure, one molecule of water is lost. Minus water. This is called as dehydration. Now the bond which is formed due to the loss of water, this is called as anhydrous bond. This bond is called as what? Anhydrous bond is established here. Anhydrous means hydrous you know related to water. Anhydrous means loss of water. Anhydrous bond means what? Loss of water during the formation of a bond. Now the resulting structure I will make for you. The resulting structure will be in this way. This is a, I am sorry guys. Arey yaar, kya ho raha hai? This is my base, nitrogen base. Okay. Nitrogen base, presence of nitrogen atom, sugar is here, clear. Bond is established here. See how this bond is formed here. This is the bond established here. Numbering you can write here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and this is 5 dash. Okay. Now the bond is formed in between the nitrogen base and the pentose sugar. This particular bond is beta and glycosidic bond. This bond, this is the bond which is called as beta and glycosidic bond. This bond is what? Beta and glycosidic bond. Why this bond is called as beta and glycosidic? We will analyze this bond. Okay. First of all, why this is beta? The beta represents the pentose sugar which is available here. It is in beta form. Pentose sugar is in beta form, so this is beta. Excuse me. This is beta. Now this nitrogen. Why this is nitrogen? Because the bond where the nitrogen atom is involved. The sugar is directly connected to the nitrogen atom of that nitrogen base. N represents the atom to which this bond is connected. The beta and glycosidic bond means the bond is connected to the nitrogen atom directly. Fine. Glycosidic means what? Glycos means sugar. The bond between sugar with any other compound is called as glycosidic bond. So in glycosidic bond, one component always it is a sugar. Okay, glycosidic bond means this is the sugar, hence it is glycosidic. Glycos means sugar. The bond with a sugar is glycosidic bond, where the nitrogen atom is involved and the sugar is in beta form. This beta and glycosidic bond that joins what? Nitrogen base with sugar. It joins pentose sugar with nitrogen base. Is it clear to all? बुझिपारतो समझते? Fine. Now the beta and glycosidic bond is established in between the first carbon atom and the ninth nitrogen atom of the purine. In pentose sugar, the first position, that is Bg. first position is booked. First position is reserved for the nitrogen base. Yes, the first carbon atom, it is booked for the nitrogen atom of the nitrogen base. The first carbon atom or the first position of pentose sugar is booked for what? For the nitrogen base. It is booked, it is reserved for the nitrogen base. Clear? Now, if it is a purine, then it is a ninth nitrogen atom will make the beta and glycosidic bond. If it is a pyrimidine, then the first nitrogen atom will make the beta and glycosidic bond. You please note down this statement. This is clear to all. How this bond is created? Beta and glycosidic bond with loss of one water, and this bond is anhydrous bond. नहीं anhydrous bond माने कौन जो bond formation रे गोटे water loss हुए, that bond is anhydrous one. Clear? Next concept. It is sugar, it is nitrogen base. Okay. Bond is BNG, beta and glycosidic bond. Here the first carbon atom, C1 of the sugar, will make a bond with N9. Ninth nitrogen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. N9 of purine. Purine means the adenine and guanine are connected to the pentose sugar at the ninth nitrogen atom. But if it is a pyrimidine base, then C1 is connected with the N1 of pyrimidine. जदि बेसटा प्यूरिन नहैकरी pyrimidine नहीं थांता ताहले first nitrogen atom is connected to the pentose sugar. Okay, that is the beta and glycosidic bond. Is it clear? Next part, we will make the structure of nucleotide. Clear? This structure is essential for us, so that I will not remove this diagram. Excuse me. What is about nucleotide? Nucleoside part is clear. And then we will design nucleotide. But before going to make a nucleotide, how these nucleosides are named? Nucleosides are naming केमती हुए, nomenclature केमती हुए. Okay? Nucleoside or nomenclature देखिए nucleoside naming or nomenclature of nucleoside. For example, it is purine. Under purine, you will get 2 nitrogen base here. Adenine, guanine. These are nitrogen base. So what would be their nucleoside name? Jodi aku gote pentose sugar ta associate hoche, then the name, then it is converted into a nucleoside. A nucleoside name is different from the name of nitrogen base. Clear? So if it is adenine, nucleoside will be adenosine. The suffix is osine. The suffix is osine here, you see. Adenosine. ये मुझे कलर चेंज करुच्ची कि कौ पार्टा चेंज है तुम जापर. ओके, गुआनाइन को जदि लिखी तार न्यूक्लियोसाइड हम गुआनोसिन. सो कौ सफिक्स ऐड है ओसिन osin. If it is purine, যদি বেসটা পিউরিন ହେଇଥାଏ ତାହେଲେ ତାର ସଫିକ୍ସଟା ଏଡ୍ ହେଇଯିବ osin. Okay, so add suffix osin here. कौनटा एड अब osin एड हेले ହେଇଯିବ nucleoside. If the base is a pyrimidine, then what will happen? If it is a pyrimidine base, thiamine, cytosine, uracil. Now in this part you will add it is the suffix is idin. Idin suffix you can add here. So now, okay, fine. So what could be the name here? Please note down. Thymidine. Then here cytosine ne कौन हम cytidine. Uracil ने कौन है जीवो uridine. जो जो परसेंट हम कलर चेंज करे देली सेटा ही सफिक्स. Here idine, here idine, here idine. So mother name is there. Mother name is thymine, cytosine, uracil. Mother name रे यदि suffix idine add ହେଇଗଲା, that is for pyrimidine base. Osin is for the purine base. So these are the name of the nucleoside. Okay. So these are the nucleoside name: adenosine, guanosine, thymidine, cytidine, uridine, and all. Is it clear? Okay. Next come to nucleotide part. Next come to the nucleotide part. Next component is my nucleotide. Nucleotide is what? Nucleoside plus phosphoric acid. It is a nucleotide right now. So now come to the base once again here. See, nucleoside is ready. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and 5 dash. Now my question is, this is C5 sugar, pentose sugar. The first carbon atom is booked for nitrogen base. The first carbon atom is booked for nitrogen base here. Okay. Here the C1, the first carbon atom, C1 is booked for nitrogen base. The first. Okay, the first carbon atom C1 of the pentose sugar, it is booked for the nitrogen base. Clear? So ये position ना आगे हाथ मारी परिवेन. This is blocked. This is reserved for nitrogen base. Clear? Now while we will make a nucleotide to which carbon atom the phosphoric acid group is going to be attached. Now ଏବେ जो upcoming phosphoric acid ଟା ଆସିବ ଆସିକି ତାକୁ join ହେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ nucleotide ହେବ. ଏବେ ସିଏ କୋଉ point ରେ ଯୋଡ଼ିବ, କୋଉ point ରେ attach ହେବ. What position is booked for the phosphoric acid? It is important. In the pentose sugar, the which position is reserved for the phosphoric acid? Clear? This is sugar. At one end it is connected to the nitrogen base, on the other end it is connected to phosphoric acid. Pentose sugar means containing 5 carbon atom. Yes, the first carbon atom is for nitrogen base, the last carbon atom is for phosphoric acid. Which is the last carbon atom? 5th carbon atom. Remember, at one end it is connected to the nitrogen base, whereas at the other end it is connected to the phosphoric acid. See, this is nitrogen base, N base. This is my C5 sugar, pentose sugar. Phosphoric acid is here. So I will make this diagram. Phosphoric acid. In which color I will make for you? And okay, fine. This is. This is phosphoric acid, you see. Clear? H3P offer. Bond will be formed how? During the formation of this bond, so water is lost. Again, loss of one water here. One molecule of water is lost. So it is also one kind of anhydrous bond. So the resulting structure will become in this way. The resulting structure, this phosphoric acid is connected to the 5th carbon atom. This is 5th carbon atom. It is connected. Now who can tell me the name of this bond? This bond you all know it is beta N glycosidic bond because it is sugar. But here it is the hydroxyl group, alcohol group, and phosphoric acid, it is an acid. So the bond between an acid group and an alcohol group, that bond is called as your ester linkage or ester bond. And as here the acid is phosphoric acid, this ester bond is called as phosphoester bond. This bond is called as what? Phosphoester bond. And the phosphoric acid can maximum, it can make 3 ester bond because it is having 3 hydroxyl group. 3H plus are replaceable form. Phosphoric acid ta maximum 3 proton loss kari paribo, replaceable proton is 3. So basicity is 3 and it can maximum make 3 ester bond, but it gote bond each. So it is called as monoester bond. Okay. So this bond is called as your phosphoester bond. This bond is what? Phosphoester bond. Okay. So at which position that phosphoric acid is attached? At the last position. First position nitrogen base, last carbon atom is the phosphoric acid. Here I am writing for you, this is the first position and this is blocked. C1 is blocked for the nitrogen base. Please remember. The C1 position, this first position is blocked. C1 is blocked for nitrogen base. And here C5 is blocked for, here I am writing C5, this 5th carbon atom, C5 is blocked for H3PO4. Remember, the 5th carbon atom here, this 5th carbon atom is booked for phosphoric acid. Okay. So in pentose sugar, please note down here, in pentose or the C5 sugar. C1 is booked, C5 is booked. C1 is booked for what? NB. Nitrogen base. C5 is booked for what? H3P offer. Okay. So, these two positions now ke hath mari paribani. These two positions of the pentose sugar is blocked. Clear? Now a nucleotide is formed. Nucleotide is what? The combination of nitrogen base, pentose sugar and the phosphoric acid. Yes? So, nitrogen base and the sugar is called as your nucleoside. To this nucleoside, one phosphoric acid group is connected here. This group is what? Phosphoric acid group. This is the phosphoric acid group is connected to the pentose sugar at the fifth carbon atom. The first carbon atom is connected to the nitrogen base. The resulting structure, it is a nucleotide right now. So, these nucleotides are the basic unit of nucleic acid. It is the building block of DNA, building block of RNA. Okay. Nucleotides are the structural and the functional unit of nucleic acid. Now, what could be their name? How to assign a name to a particular nucleotide? Nucleoside nomenclature, it is clear to all. Now, the nucleotide nomenclature. Clear? So, C5 sugar, pentose sugar, connected with nitrogen base, connected with phosphoric acid. So, this is nucleotide. What is the nomenclature here? For example, adenosine nucleoside, guanosine nucleoside, thymidine nucleoside, cytidine nucleoside, uridine nucleoside, these are nucleosides. Nucleotide ta kemti kahaba dekhiba. For example, this is RNA. RNA pai nomenclature kariba tapre DNA pai naba. Okay. RNA re kon hue? Adenosine, guanosine, cytidine and uridine. Thymidine is absent. This thymidine, it is absent in RNA. So, now gote phosphoric acid eku lagi gala. So, now nucleotide is a acid. Okay. Adenilic acid koi paribo, adenylate koi paribo, adenosine monophosphate koile bhi kichi problem nahi. Adenosine monophosphate, AMP. One phosphate group is attached to the adenosine. This is GMP. This is CMP. This is your TMP. Expand. Adenosine monophosphate, then guanosine monophosphate, thymidine, monophosphate, cytidine monophosphate, see next one, uridine monophosphate. Is it clear to all? This is what the nucleotides present in RNA. Now come to my DNA part. So, what could be the name of nucleotide in a DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Here in the nucleotide of a DNA, the sugar is different. Here sugar is what? Deoxyribose. C5H10O4 is connected here. Deoxyribose. Now deoxyribose means the name will be changed here. Nucleoside is deoxy, अरे यार क्या हो गया उसको, deoxy and deoxy. Uridine is absent in DNA. Uracil is absent, so please remove this thing. Now come to the DNA part. Same thing ରହିବ, କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି ଡିଅକ୍ସିରେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦେବ। କ'ଣ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଯୋଡ଼ିବ ଏଠି? ଡିଅକ୍ସି MP, deoxy GMP, deoxy TMP, deoxy CMP ହେଇଗଲା। deoxy adenosine monophosphate, deoxy guanosine monophosphate, deoxy thymidine monophosphate, deoxy cytidine monophosphate. So ribose ଜାଗାରେ ଖାଲି deoxy sugar add ହେଲା, ସେଟା deoxy ribose ହେଇଗଲା। These are the nucleotides, ଆଉ କିଛି ବେଶୀ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ। କ୍ଲିୟର? ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ବେସ୍, ଯେଉଁଟା କି ଡିଏନ୍ଏରେ ଥାଇମିନ୍ ଥାଏ, ଆଇରନ୍ରେ ୟୁରାସିଲ୍ ଥାଏ। ସୁଗାରର ଭେରିଏସନ୍ ଅଛି, deoxy ribose sugar found in DNA, ribose sugar it is found in RNA. This is the difference. So now we have created the nucleotide. So in the next class we will continue how the nucleotides are connected with each other. Okay? Next class में देखिए न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स को जोड़ी जोड़ी कर हम कौन बने देबा polynucleotide or it is a nucleic acid. In the next episode we will focus how nucleic acids are designed. Clear? Sure. Thank you so much. Wish you a very happy advanced Diwali. Thank you.